At first, it looks like a roadside stop you might drive past without thinking. A small building along the highway. Signs. Structures that don't quite match. Everything feels a little improvised. But the longer you stand here, the more you notice. Nothing is accidental. Every piece feels placed, collected, built over time rather than designed all at once. Hillbilly Hot Dogs started as something simple, a place to grab a quick meal along the road. But like a lot of places built slowly, it didn't stay simple. It grew, one idea at a time. Instead of clean lines and uniform construction, this place was built from whatever was available. Wood, metal, signs, objects, repurposed and given new meaning. Not polished, not planned, but intentional in its own way. Over time, what started as a roadside stop became a destination. Something people seek out, something they remember. Not because it's perfect, but because it's different. Places like this aren't built to fit in. They're built over time, one idea at a time. And sometimes, that's what makes them last. The history between steps. Thank you for taking a step with me.